MS-DOS hard drive prompt. Ours is C. We place the warp installation disk in the proper drive. Ours is A. We place our warp installation CD-ROM in the drive. Our computer is already on, so we restart it by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete.
If your computer will not boot from drive A, adjust your boot configuration in your CMOS setup.
We see the IBM installation screen. We remove the installation diskette from the drive. Then, we place the diskette for CD-ROM in drive A. We press Enter, and OS2 Warp begins to load the system onto the hard drive. We see the Welcome to OS2 screen. Now, we can choose whether to install OS2 with the Easy or Advanced installation. With Easy installation highlighted, we press Enter, and OS2 begins loading system files. At the prompt, we remove the diskette from drive A. We press Enter, and OS2 reboots our computer. We see the OS2 Warp logo screen. Now, we see the System Configuration window. We see our country configuration and our hardware devices. We accept the defaults. We press OK and see the Select System Default Printer window. With Do Not Install Default Printer highlighted, we choose OK. At the Multimedia Device Settings window, we accept the defaults and select OK. OS2 Warp transfers files to the hard disk. OS2 updates our system configuration, then continues transferring files to our hard disk. At the Insert Windows Diskette prompts, we insert the proper disks. Then we press Enter. OS2 Warp completes the installation. Now we need to shut down and restart our system. We remove the diskette from drive A. Now we choose OK. OS2 Warp completes the shutdown procedure. We restart our system by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. We see the logo screen, the OS2 desktop, and the Introducing OS2 tutorial window. We have a sound card and hear the Warp welcome sound.
You may pause the tape now to practice on your computer.
Chapter 1. We listed the operating systems you can install OS2 Warp over.
We discussed the minimum computer system you need for running OS2 Warp.
We explained the easy and advanced installation options. Finally, we installed OS2 Warp using easy installation.